I'm Sanjeev Nair. By profession, I'm a chartered accountant, and I got my own firm in which I have been doing practice for the last 38 years. I was born in Delhi in 1953. Schooling from Sardar Patel Vidyalaya. Thereafter, I joined Shri Ram College of Commerce for doing my BCom Honours. And thereafter, I did my articles with J.C. Bhalla and Company for Chartered Accountancy. I cleared my Chartered Accountancy in 1979, joined a firm and worked there for 3 years in Corporate Finance Division. And thereafter, while in service, got married. And then I left my job and started my own practice. My father's name is Rajinder Nath Nair. He was working in Industrial Finance Corporation of India as a manager, and he had exposure of giving loans to various factories and all that. In those days, banks never used to finance factories and all that. So he inspired me. I was a science student, did very well. I wanted to be an architect. But he inspired me to do chartered accountancy. My mother, she was a teacher in mathematics. She stood third in Punjab in girls, first in girls and third in Punjab in her time. And she has been the motivating force for all of us to do pretty well in studies and in life also. We are 3 brothers. I'm the middle one. Eldest is Anup Nair. He was a vice president in Aksh Optifiber. My younger brother is Rajiv Nair. He's also a chartered accountant, but he's doing his own advertising agency business. 2 children. Son is elder. He's about 38 years now. He's a CA, followed by his footsteps. And then he did his MBA, and he's now working as a partner in Bain & Company, international firm of consultants. My daughter, she's also an MBA. She was a gold medalist from IMT Ghaziabad. And she's married to another MBA. My daughter-in-law is also a chartered accountant. She's a daughter of a retired Chief Commissioner of Income Tax. My childhood is the most cherished thing for me in my life. Apart from my married life, you can say that. I am still in touch with all our schoolmates, my college mates, and I'm proud to say that for my class, for section of 40 boys, all of us have done very well. The current cabinet secretary who just become the special advisor of PM, PK Sinha, he is from my class. We studied together. Information Commissioner, Bimal Julka, is from my class. Head of critical medical in Vedanta, he is from my class. So we have got, all of us did very well, and we are still in touch. I don't know the values which he gave it to us. I have been now imparting to everyone. In life, don't expect things to come easy to you. You must work hard. Put everything you have got in your studies or in your work, and the money will automatically come. The fame comes, the money comes, and if you can help somebody without asking anything back, just help them. And never think ill of anyone, and never try to harm even your enemies, because the moment you got negative thoughts, your peace of mind will go. I have been facing challenges, but head on, as simple as that. There's no way. Shucking from that, you keep on worrying about this thing. Whatever you have to do, do your best, and then leave it to the God. I just told you, work hard, do your best, whatever it is, your studies. There's no easy way out. You have to take the things head on, face them, and you have to come out of it. Get up early, drop my wife to her college. She's teaching fashion design part-time and in South Delhi Polytechnic for women. And then go for my morning walk. 8:30 to 9:30 I take my morning walk. Come back home, get ready, and by 11 I'm in the office. Thereafter, whenever I can come back, 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, not before ever. Come home, have lunch or dinner with family, spend some time together. If a new movie comes, we will both of us go for a late night show, 11 o'clock show. And then we normally every week, at least one gathering with the friends is always there. I love my life. I just pray to God कि बस कृपा बनाए रखे. I don't want anything else. My wife, she's sitting there. I don't want to say all those things. But I can simply say, I consider myself very lucky. We share the same passions, we enjoy things together, and of course, I get little bit of, you can say, firing from her now and then, but we take that in our stride. And we are both adventurous. We don't shirk from anything which comes our way. And you want to do skydiving, she will the one who will say, let's do it. I love traveling. You know, one thing is there. In the earlier phase of my life, I started practice of my own. Then we were struggling. Setting up a practice alone is very difficult. Joining a bigger firm is much easier. So by and by, we brought our children. Now they are happily settled. Nowadays, we simply must go 3 or 4 times in a year, at least preferably once or twice abroad. And we've got other groups of friends with whom we travel together. So far we are just ticking off various places in the world, and we are just saying, okay, so many left before we. I loved all the places. I want to go to Egypt and Middle East because of the problems we couldn't go. I wanted to see the pyramids, the Jordan, but due to the strife we can't see that. Next in line is Japan and China. I love reading. I used to do a little bit of, you can say, wood carving, but nowadays I'm not doing that. So nowadays it's only husband and wife together and seeing some English serials on Amazon Prime and playing with our granddaughter. I love old 50s, 60s music. I often sing. I'm not a very good singer, but I love to sing, and I'm not bothered about how do I sound. I love old music. Daily for my morning walk, I put on some mix of old songs, and for 1 hour, I just while walking, I listen to old songs. Like old movies, new movies also, comedies, something which is good. Me, Mohammed Rafi, then Kishore, Talat. I'm an old type का. आजकल के बच्चों को सिंगर का नाम ही पता नहीं है क्या है. Normally I will just sing few lines. Normally when we start a meeting, people used to say, ladies and gentlemen, the meeting is called to order, please sit down and all that. I don't do that. When we are addressing the Rotary assemblies and all that, about 1,000 people sitting here and all that, I normally start with this song. ये रात ये फिजाएं फिर आए या ना आए, आओ शम्मा जलाकर हम आज मिल के गाएं. And thing is that the moment you start singing, everybody will stop singing. What's happening? And then they say, now the meeting is called to order. Just sit down. You can say I don't believe in God, but I believe in believing in God. My God is within me, He's everywhere. I don't feel like going to temples and masjids and I can bow my head anywhere. I can go to a mosque, I can go to a church, I can go to a temple. But all I think is that for 1 minute, aankhein band karke, if you can just think about Him and thank Him, that is enough. You know, nowadays I feel like maybe I don't have the means to do that. Earlier I wanted to do something. We started one foundation called Diya Foundation. We set up a school for underprivileged children where no money was being charged, free meals, and we used to go to in that area. जो गली में बच्चे खेलते थे उनको, mostly they were from household servants, sabji walas. That colony was there in Nihal Vihar, Nangloi. तो went over there कि खाना भी देंगे और पढ़ाएंगे भी, इनको स्कूल में भेज दो. We started with 20 children in one single room. Later on we expanded. Now we have got 400 children. Up to class 5 we are teaching them and then putting them in regular schools. That's what inspired me to do that. अब दिल करता है कि nowadays when you go to red lights and under these overbridges, on the sides you can see these people, destitute people, spreading their beds and all that, and small children begging and going about. What we think, why can't we provide them schooling? Why can't we do something? But it's a very large scale thing to be done because there's almost lakhs of destitutes and the children are there and they are becoming professional beggars. छोटे बच्चों के कपड़े उतार देते हैं आधा खोल के, they come and begging ठंड के अंदर हू करके. It feels so bad. What about the future of those children? Feel like doing something for them. Rotary, I joined in the year 2001. I think one of my clients, he was a retired vice president of Scots. He told me, you are a person, very good person. He was my client. So he told me, Sanjeev, you should come and join us. He invited me. I went over there and joined Rotary. So next year I was elected as the treasurer of the club. Next year again the treasurer, then secretary. And 2005-06 I became the president of the club. And we did lots of projects apart from doing a lot of masti in the club. In 2012-13 I was made assistant governor. Assistant governor means he controls the whole zone comprised of 7 or 8 clubs. And thereafter I have been taking on various duties in the district level. In this year, our president-elect, unfortunately, he expired before he took over the charge. And I was asked to take over the club again. At present, I am again president of Rotary Dilli Kutub. We are, apart from going abroad or going for the club assemblies at various places in India together, we are running a handicapped center in Madangir, New Delhi. Nowadays, by the grace of God, the efforts of Rotary, polio is almost extinct from India. But in those days, we used to have lots of polio-stricken children, and about 32 of them used to be there, some deaf and dumb. So we were running a daycare center for them. We are used to provide extra coaching, meals to them, and then vocational training also. And then we got them admitted to regular schools. That is an ongoing project in which we have been doing right from the beginning. Nowadays, now the handicapped children are less comparatively, but we have taken adult literacy classes. Lots of ammas from the localities, we have been teaching them how to read and write. And it's sort of their social gathering place also. And we are, apart from teaching, and we are providing sewing classes and all that so that they can become self-reliant. I will say I want to spend as much time together with both the children as possible because everybody is busy. My daughter she's also become a partner in Positive Moves, a head hunting firm. She's doing pretty well. But again, they don't have time. They are in Gurgaon. So we have been blessed with one granddaughter from my son and one grandson. He's about 1 year old for my daughter. So हम दादा भी बन गए, नाना भी बन गए. दिल करता है सारे बच्चे आ जाएं, बच्चे सामने हो, and let's go out together for holiday. हमारे सामने रहें. We enjoyed. We recently went to Phuket to celebrate his first birthday. Both sides of our families, we went together. and for 3-4 days we literally enjoyed ourselves. You can see my mother and my wife, both. When I was young, it was my mother. Anything we wanted to do, it was good, it was educational, she would support us. We were not very rich, reasonably well, middle class family. We wanted to go to Nepal on a school trip and whatever it is, she said nothing doing, jao, ghoom ke aao. And whatever you want to do, study, she said I'm totally behind you. And thereafter, after marriage, my wife, I know I can always back up upon her. I will say, once I feel nowadays what's happening is that we are losing our sense of responsibility. What is required now in our schools, apart from all the studies and all that, moral science, and we should have some character building exercise where children should be taught what is right and what is wrong, and how now to, you can say, to take an easy way out and do some hera-pheri, let's say, that way. We should know, earlier on red lights, at 11 o'clock, anytime, you can see red light is there and the people are just crossing like that. If the policeman is not there, they will keep on crossing the red lights for no rhyme or reason. There should be some sense of discipline. Japan had discipline. It was totally devastated in the Second World War. But because of discipline now in the society, in no point of time, they again stood up, and they were one of the leading economies in the world. In India, we have been blessed with great brains. What is required is a sense of discipline and sense of what is wrong and what is right. If that is there, we can be anything in the world.